Presenting HIFIN Helmet Chin Strap Mount with Mobile Clip and Screw. The inner side of the chin strap is made of non-slip, high-quality, soft silicone. It has recessed design in middle and soft rubber bumps surrounding it, preventing damage to the surface of the helmet. The design of non-slip particles can increase friction and improve the stability of the picture quality. In the box, you will find one chin mount, one J-hook, one tripod phone holder, one tripod adapter and one screw. The phone holder for helmet adopts double-layer elastic belt and polyester belt, which is durable, and the rounded corner design makes it safe and comfortable. The design of the buckle and elastic band makes the installation very simple and convenient. You can adjust the shooting angle by rotating the chin mount and the phone holder. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.